I come to you from a very different location today because I'm in an hotel. Now, I didn't just get a hotel room because of a video I'm making just for one scene. This is specifically because I'm going to a wedding this weekend. And as I was finishing up the script, I was like, hey, I'm going to a wedding this weekend and I'm gonna stay at a hotel. So I'm gonna take that opportunity and use it to my advantage. And here I am doing that. This is an impromptu hotel tour. So I've never done one of these before, so I don't know how well this is gonna go. There's the door. I think there's a light switch here. There is, wow. Look at that, light switch. Here's the bathroom. I've already taken a piss in that. That went quite well. There's me. Hello. Here's, shelf you can put things on. Like that. Or that. I don't think I'll put those there, but maybe I will, I don't know. Fuck. Here's the shower. You can get naked in here. Yep, here I am in the shower. Can lock myself in. And yeah. This is a really boring video. Here's a closet. Got the iron and the ironing board. Got some hangers there. And close that like that. Then we can open this. And I have that in that space. And got a thing to put some stuff on. And there isn't a light. So that's cool. So let's close this. And now we'll move on to the main space. There's another mirror. A lot of mirrors in this place. That's what I'm wearing to the wedding. Wow. Here's this. I just noticed this with these triangles. That's pretty neat. There's the bed. I haven't jumped on it yet. I don't know if I will. Here's a couch. You can sit on the couch. Oh, there's like a kind of like a honeycomb pattern there. And we got a desk here. Got a burp and there's TV and there's the thing there. I got a coffee maker if I drink coffee, and I haven't looked in these drawers. Maybe there will be something fun in here. Maybe there will be like a severed arm or a nothing. In here there's a fridge. Nothing in the fridge. There's nothing in there. Do have some literature, of course. You have Book of Mormon and the Bible, in case I feel like getting all religious. That's it. That's the hotel room. I don't know when I'm gonna film this thing for the Willy Wonka review, but it's basically me. I'm gonna be on the bed, and Willy Wonka. In Wonka, he's at Scrub It and Bleachers, and basically, explain to him all the extra charges he has, that he has to work in the wash house to pay off, and I make a joke that one of them is watching porn on the TV, and then I tell him, hey Willy, you never do that. You always watch it on your laptop. So that's what I'm gonna do. I didn't bring my big tripod. I just brought this one, so I don't know where the fuck I'm gonna put the camera, because I'd like it to be like that, and then like I'm, I don't know how I'm illustrating this. You've seen it already, so you know what the shot is. I just don't know right now how I'm gonna do it because I haven't figured that out yet. So, yeah, it's very warm in here. I haven't tried opening the window Doesn't look like I'll have a great view, but I'll show you anyway. I also realized I didn't bring the phone thing for this, so kind of fucked in that regard, but I'll just lean you against this. This is a big money shot. Here we go. Ah, shit, two blinds. Wow, that's exciting. It's more hotel and some trucks. What a great view. Oh! Willy, everyone knows if you're at a hotel and you want to watch, you know what, you never watch it on the TV. You always watch it on their Wi-Fi and on your computer. Besides, the stuff they got online is way better than the crap they have on that thing. A little privacy, please. Yeah, that's the good stuff. Willy, everyone knows if you're at a hotel and you want to watch, you know what, you never watch it on the TV. You always use their Wi-Fi and go on your computer. Besides, the internet has way better stuff than the stuff they have on there. A little privacy, please. Bullshit. Fuck, that's right. I didn't think that was real. God damn it. This might show how stupid I am, but I didn't think porn.com was real. I don't know if it showed up here, but all I saw were a bunch of asses. Oh, fuck. Okay, I need to delete that from my history. I actually need to do that. Oh my god, I didn't think that was real. Goodbye, hotel room. It's time for me to leave. We had some fun adventures in here. Bye, hotel room. It's time for me to go away. Bye, hotel room. I wish I could stay one more day. We had lots of fun, and there's more we could have done, but now I must run. Bye, hotel room. Bye, hotel room. All right, time to go.